it's Ashley, and this week's theme on 7 Guys Are Fun Girls is Challenge Week, so I decided to do kind of like a blindfold taste test. So right here I have this cute blindfold that I made. And then my mom is over there preparing 5 foods that I have no clue what they are. I don't know if I like them, I don't know if I hate them, but I'm going to put my blindfold on and taste each of them and try to guess what they are. So, let's get started. Okay, so let's see what the first food is. Is it raisins? Raisins! Okay, so time to get my second food. Oh, what is this? It looks like fried with ketchup. Fried, and I taste ketchup. I hate ketchup. So I hate ketchup, and now it's time to get my third food. Okay, what is this? Is gross. Is it like chocolate or something? I think it's some kind of chocolate. What is this? Snickers? Time for my fourth food. Hopefully it's a food. It feels like, it feels disgusting. What is it? It's like some kind of chip. What is it?
It's a noodle for wonton soup.
With a little duck sauce on it.
Duck sauce?
It's just a sweet sauce.
Why would they sauce a duck? I don't know what that means. Ew. Time to get my fifth and final food. I hope it's not gross. Oh. What is this? Oh, is this the same thing as before? Weethen? What is this?
Cream cheese.
Who puts cream cheese on a weethen?
You said I could do anything.
Okay. I hate cream cheese. Yeah. Thanks for watching this week's video. For a chance to get a possible shout out in next week's video, comment down below if you had one of these 5 foods, which would you want the most and which would you not want the most? Like, which is the best and which is the worst. And I will see you guys next week on 7 Guys Are Fun Girls. Bye! Time to receive my 4th food. Ooh. What? What the? This feels like a car!